mi gegbe go ara o. Bologu ipoloko yera gboro. Mi gegbe go ara o. Bologu ipoloko yera gboro. Mama akporo yere ina emo yeni miswana kakpo. Mi gegbe go ara o. Bologu ipoloko yera gboro. Mama akporo watalo ye ina emo ne miswana kakpo. Mi gegbe go aveje o. Bologu ipoloko yera gboro. Oye onomosha baba. Vovo na King Enakpodi Adirobo Diamond Voice Man of the Year. Onune areso kose avare okpo mero ologuro de abogoke High Chief Prince Paul Esiveneta Okpokoro, popularly known as Chief Poloko. Ose avare na eke show rekpe imo ye ni miune na sikweje na yare ni mama akpo se ayeri eje ni na igogo ayeri emu ayeda isero pano se ava nana. He was a community leader and a great custodian of Ugeli historical culture and tradition. Okuna na dokwo akasak bavle, a great philanthropist in his time. Ose awaina of his scholarship he came uncountable scholarship to a lot of children far and wide based on his accomplishment. Okuna na okpokwe vorobuna imuneviyo imamorogwo boyo oroje kokpogo imamorogwo boina oroje kokpogo Imam ogwo oroje kokpogo ado Imam ogwo oroje kokpogo Imam ogwo oroje kokpogo Imam ogwo oroje kokpogo Imam ogwo oroje kokpogo Esibe nita o Esibe nita Oselawa epo iyo, esire neta. Poleko kumayo, esire neta. Poleko esire neta, esire neta. Prince Palu esire neta, esire neta. Selawa epo mayo, esire neta. Otuze suga yorwe, esire neta. Oselawa epo mayo, esire neta. Oreje gogo esire neta igweje kede bia esire neta imama logbo boyi esire neta amologbo melo oinere esire neta ayo inene dodo esire neta Ipoloko le meva wena o esire neta. He was the managing director esire neta CEO of Poloko Hotels and Poloko Industries. Hero Poleme Mbawena Ologu Poloko na o started out as a mathematics teacher. He teach Aroyo Niwo and secondary school teacher before he retired. Ologuri Poloko na o Okibili retire. Oblena Sarodamia Obe Police Kuruna 1968 to war in share BP As a licensing officer, Daddy left here in 1977 to go to his own private business. Mama work on your way, you know, or big Catholic church, you know, and Jimmy Block war, Iwobi is Happy Sikulukaye, Tony Moado, and block for classroom in Otomodo, the year 1983. Generous endeavor. He was of Ugeli Kingdom. And 13 biological children. Four step children and adopted son. Daddy lived a very fulfilled life. He always wanted the best for his family and every daughter and son of Urobo land. I said, Messi Venitana. Oh, what came on Urobo, Mamma? I will put you in Urobo, Mamma. Thursday 17th December 2020. Service of song taking place on Friday 18th of December 2020. On Sunday 19th December 2020. Greetings by the Elos. On the 20th, low where's your Thanksgiving light and entertainment. Light entertainment will be taking place. esibenita emo ologun ìkọlọkọ imo esibenita kane mebe baba o esibenita ayo esibenita akela ti me ori esibenita esibenita oyo mi oge ọlọkọ esibenita oyo mi oge ọlọkọ esibenita olókùnrin bọ́lọ̀kọ mamu yomi oge yorùbá yomi oge bọ́lọ̀kọ esibenita mamu yomi oge yorùbá yomi oge bọ́lọ̀kọ esibenita egbe gaga o egbe gaga yomi lóde pomero egbe gaga yomi lóde pomero egbe gaga aye egbe gaga bọ́lọ̀kọ pomero egbe gaga manu lobo egbe gaga egbe gaga manu gele egbe gaga egbe gaga manu lobo egbe gaga egbe gaga ododo egbe gaga egbe gaga egbe buru egbe gaga mama lobo nyakpo yeri egbe gaga orí ma memu yuto egbe gaga orí ma mama yuto egbe gaga mama le mo ìfọlọkọ yẹ egbe gaga ye mo wa pori o egbe gaga egbe gaga mari pese ikulu egbe gaga ikulu ai na do egbe gaga oyo epo ba e o ma egbe gaga am never yo bi ra egbe gaga am never lo ta egbe gaga kula ye ti kulu re buna egbe gaga mama popo mi lo egbe gaga mama popo mi lo egbe gaga popo mi lo egbe gaga popo mi lo egbe gaga adele lori egbe gaga egbe gaga baby you know my boy o mele na kodia gade wo ti ya me na kodia go do gboro me we are coming to scatter December 18 ugele o we you know ma iga je amade ataru na gboro adodo agade na thank you. I'm more sure I can get a body I want to. Cause I